Hey everyone, welcome back to our Linux Challenge series. Today, we're tackling a crucial system administration skill, secure data transfer. This task involves moving files between two different servers safely and efficiently. The goal is simple. We need to copy a specific file, which is located on the jump host server over to the app server 3. Specifically, we'll be using the SCP command. First, let's confirm we are on the right machine and that the file we need to move actually exists. We'll use the ls-l command on our source file. Great, the file is right here, ready to go. To securely copy this file to the remote server, we use SCP, which stands for Secure Copy. It uses the SSH protocol, so it's encrypted and safe. The command structure is SCP source file remote username and remote server to the destination path. We're copying file to the app server 3, logging in as Banner and placing the file inside Banner's home directory. The system will ask for the password for the remote user. So, we enter that. And done. You should see a confirmation showing the file transfer completion. The most critical step in data transfer is verification. Did the file actually make it to the destination? We need to quickly check the app server 3. Let's quickly SSH into the app server 3 and run ls-l in the destination directory. Perfect, the file is there, confirming our secure data transfer was a success. We've completed the task. And that's how you use the SCP command for secure file transfers between Linux servers. It's an indispensable skill for any admin. If this video helped you solve the challenge, hit the like button and subscribe for more KodeKloud solutions. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.